Well, good day to you ladies and gents. Today I'm looking at Favorlite's little gooseneck work light. This light has a variety of applications. Among them, of course, are camping, any outdoor activity, emergency use, work on your car, handyman jobs such as plumbing, which is what I'm simulating here. So let's get right into it and take a look at it. As to what's in the box, we get, of course, the actual work light itself, a recharging cable, as you'll see here, and a little single-page user's manual, as we'll take a look at here shortly. As we see here in the user's manual, the unit does come with a magnetic base, a very flexible work shaft, a 2000 lumen light, and of course the base itself is either made out of high-impact plastic or aluminum. Also provided is a hanging hook, which is a very practical tool for this light. The light itself is very light. The unit also comes with a USB Type A charging port. This will allow you to charge your phone in an emergency situation using the light as a charging source. The unit does come with a Type C USB charging cable going back to a Type A source cable. The unit charges very easy off of your computer or say a USB wall outlet that you may have installed in your home. As you can see here, the gooseneck itself is easily adjustable and you can put it about anywhere that you would like to within limits of the light, and it does stay exactly where you put it. It does not drift off or tend to droop like some work lights would. It is very functional in its application intention. Okay, let's take a quick look at charging. As you can see here, I've got the final LED blinking, indicating the unit is not fully charged. And as we'll see shortly, when the unit is fully charged, all LEDs remain lit. The light's battery is rated at a 5 amp hour rating, so there's plenty of reserve capacity in this light. As we'll see here, the unit has 3 levels of lighting available: high, medium, and low, and of course the next press takes you off. Okay, before we start taking a look at some applications, please keep in mind that the kind of surreal lighting we're going to see here is a function of the camera interacting with the light. The actual light coming off the light does appear to be white to the human eye. The camera sees it a little bit differently. Now, as the camera readjusts from being overexposed, note that there is plenty of light to do whatever work I might need to do under the sink. In this case, I'm basically simulating a condition where I want to get in and turn off the valves underneath the sink. And you can see it's no problem seeing exactly what's going on there. In this case, I've got a dimly lit garage, and the light is my secondary source of illumination. As you can see, when I flip on the light, I'd have absolutely no problem changing the tire if that was the case. Once the camera corrects, you'll see that everything is very clear and easy to see. Okay, let's take a look under the hood. In this case, you'll see I've turned the light on, and what I'm simulating, of course, is checking the antifreeze level in the Honda. And as you can see, the light provides plenty of light. I could have corrected, of course, for the camera, but I was going to show you just how bright it was. It literally washes out the lines on the tank, so I can see it on my own, but the camera can't see it because it's so bright. Okay, let's check the oil. As you can see here, it's no problem at all seeing what the oil level is in the car. As I hold it up to the light, you can clearly see that the oil level in the car is normal. Now for my last simulation, I'm going to mount the light on the hood using the magnetic base, and then I'm going to switch down and look at the car's engine. Okay, now I've removed all additional light sources, and the only light is from the actual work light. And as you can see, I have no problem at all doing basic maintenance on the car, even in total darkness conditions. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you found this video both interesting and useful. Check out this light. I've got a little link in the description. You'll be able to take a look at it. If you found this video both interesting and useful, please give me a like and definitely consider subscribing. I've got quite a few videos coming along the line. Until our paths cross again, y'all take care now. We'll catch you on the next video.